Now on your iPhone, let's take a look at this. If you swipe down like this, your control panel is accessible. Now this puts your iPhone in a very dangerous condition. If anybody take your iPhone, they can access your iPhone and your iPhone might be stolen. You might not be able to track it again. So to prevent the control panel from being accessible by anybody, go to settings, tap on it. Now scroll down to this place where you see face passcode or face ID and passcode, tap on it. So if you set your passcode before, make sure you provide your passcode to this place, then unlock this place, then scroll down to this place where you see control panel. This button is turned on. Tap on it to turn it off. So close from this place. Now let's try and open this, close this iPhone, then open it again. Let's access. You can see that your control panel is not accessible again. So it means your control panel will only be accessible with your face code. So you can see that it has opened now because I've accessed my code. That's all guys on how to protect your iPhone from other to access your iPhone without your personal permission.